Have you lost access to your Spotify email address? Do not worry. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover Spotify account without email. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let's dive in. Now, first of all, you need to open your Google Chrome. Then go to the search. Then search for support.spotify.com. Then choose that. Then you need to tap on the first link, Spotify support. Tap on it. Then scroll down and go to manage your account. Then account settings. Then scroll down. Then go to change your email address. Then it will land you on this page. Now you need to scroll down. Then just scroll down. Then you will tap on this link which says think your account has been hacked, and this link here. So you are just going to tap on it. Then you will just scroll down. Then you are going to tap on that arrow, can't access your account, and then you are going to see a link which says get in touch. This link here, just tap on it. Then once you are here, you are going to chat with personal support from Spotify. So just tap on start messaging. Then do you want to log in? You can help you better if you log in to your account, but you can still get support without logging in. So just tap on no, thanks. Then you can chat with this support team and describe your problem, that you are unable to log in into your Spotify account because you are unable to access your email account.